Hi guys, with the another video. Sorry, hold on. Yeah, with another video. Today I'm gonna show this TV, Samsung Smart TV, which is this shows like crack screen, but it's not cracked. Yeah, trying to understand. Hold on. Okay. Once again, hi guys, with another video. This is the smart TV, Samsung Smart TV. What happened? This is the not the crack screen. This is the suddenly it's happened. Screen was like this. It's not cracked, but look like it shows that it's cracked. And I just searched on YouTube, and one guy he was showing that how you can fix this problem. He just showing that you just grab the like kind of towel. This is I just wet. I did wet little bit in this towel, and just says rub on top of this screen, and slowly he did maybe like 30 minutes, and then after that I saw that its TV it start to work normal way. In this case I don't know, I'm just trying to understand is it right what the information he shared. These are the, as you see, these are not the crack. These are the, shows look like it's cracked. This part is showing a little bit picture. Other than that, as you see, like a design. Let's go ahead and clean a little bit. As the guy he showed, he was telling that just press a little bit, but not too hard, and yeah, you don't want to break the screen. Just push little hard, not too hard, and just look like you're cleaning the screen. Then to go the other side, this is 58-inch screen TV, smart TV. I bought this 2016, but it's not too long ago, but it happens. Let's try. I don't want to clean half an hour, but I will maybe like not the cleaning exactly, but I just do this maybe like with 10 minutes before I record the TV. Before I recording this video, I did a little bit more, but I will do maybe 3-4 minutes, and after that we can try if is this the right information or not. Let's continue a little while, and then we will know this guy right or wrong. Yeah, I would like to know. This is the best time to test this information. Do you see this? Like, look like it's like crack. This is also like, and also here, and everything here also look like crack, but it's not. Let's go ahead, continue. Before it was picture, half was the line like this, and then after that try turn to this way. I don't know, I'm searching. If you guys have any information, please share your information with me that I can fix this TV. Hopefully this is gonna work. I think couple of more minutes. I don't want to do half an hour. Alright. If it's gonna work, it's gonna work. If it's not, so I don't want to waste your time. Okay, maybe it's enough. Let's go ahead and test. How we're gonna test? He told me that, on his video, he was saying, just close the TV and count like 10 or 20 something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's go ahead and power on. Let's see. Alright, so nothing changed, as you see. Same thing. So this information is wrong. He was mentioning that like it's not gonna work with every TV. Yeah. Well, I don't know. I tried, it didn't work, which means for me this information is wrong. Yeah. I just want to share with you guys, and I tried, it didn't work out, as you see. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and see you soon with another video, and blessing to you. Please subscribe and have a nice time, guys. Alright, bye bye.